Welcome to Learning Adda. Today, we'll solve an IBPS PO Prelims previous year quant paper. Let's jump in. Question 1. Find the ratio of cost of total mechanical pencil in A and B together to cost of total wooden pencil in D. Option A 16:5. Option B 5:1. Option C 1:6. Option D 1:5. Option E 1:2. The timer starts now. The answer is option A 16:5. Wooden pencils cost ₹5 and mechanical pencils cost ₹20. Solving total count and total cost gives A is to 18 wooden, 20 mechanical, B is to 35 wooden, 12 mechanical, D is to 40 wooden. Mechanical pencil cost in A and B is equal to 20 plus 12 multiplied by 20 is equal to ₹640. Wooden pencil cost in D is equal to 40 multiplied by 5 is equal to ₹200. The ratio 640 is to 200 reduces to 16:5. Question 2. Find the total mechanical pencil in C is what percentage of total wooden pencil in E. Option A 100. Option B 200. Option C 160. Option D 150. Option E 102. The timer starts now. The answer is option B 200. Solving the table data gives 50 mechanical pencils in C and 25 wooden pencils in E. The percentage is 50 divided by 25 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200%. Question 3. Find the average number of wooden pencil in A, mechanical pencil in B and E. Option A 10. Option B 5. Option C 16. Option D 15. Option E 12. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 15. The required counts are 18 wooden pencils in A, 12 mechanical pencils in B, and 15 mechanical pencils in E. Their average is 18 plus 12 plus 15, divided by 3 is equal to 45 divided by 3 is equal to 15. Question 4. Shop B sold 20% of wooden pencil at the profit of 20% and rest at the profit of 50%. Find the total selling price of wooden pencil. Option A to 92. Option B to 15. Option C 246. Option D to 32. Option E 252. The timer starts now. The answer is option E 252. Shop B has 35 wooden pencils, each costing ₹5. 20% means 7 pencils, is to selling them at 20% profit gives 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to ₹42. The remaining 28 pencils sell at 50% profit or ₹7.50 each, giving ₹210. Total selling price is equal to 42 plus 210 is equal to ₹252. Question 5. The ratio of total pencil in F to total pencil in C is 5:7 and shop F has 30% more than wooden pencil than D. Find the mechanical pencils in F is what percentage more less than wooden pencil sold by E. Option A 102%. Option B 105%. Option C 106%. Option D 112%. Option E 110%. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 112%. Shop C has 112 pencils, So shop F has 5/7 of 112 is equal to 80. B has 40 wooden pencils, F has 30% more, so wooden F is equal to 52. Mechanical F is equal to 80 minus 52 is equal to 28. E has 25 wooden pencils. The excess is 3, so 3 divided by 25 multiplied by 100 is equal to 12%. Mechanical pencils in F are 112% of ES wooden count, which is the keyed interpretation. Question 6. Find the ratio of items sold by A and B together to unsold items of C and D together. Option A, 39 is to 10. Option B, 20 is to 19. Option C, 40 is to 41. Option D, 32 is to 39. Option E, 22 is to 21. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 39 is to 10. From the chart, items sold by A and B are 80 and 76, totaling 156. Unsold items are 20 each in C and D, totaling 40. The ratio 156 is to 40 reduces to 39 is to 10. Question 7. Unsold items of A, B and C is what percentage of total items sold by C? Option A, 42%. Option B, 66.66%. Option C, 40%. Option D, 32%. Option E, 33.33%. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 66.66%. Unsold items are A is equal to 40, B is equal to 20, and C is equal to 20, so the combined unsold count is 80. C sold 120 items. 80 divided by 120 multiplied by 100 is equal to 66.67%, approximately 66.66%. Question 8. If the cost prices of articles A and D are rupees 100 and rupees 60 respectively, find the sum of the total selling prices of all sold items in A and D. Option A, 14800. Option B, 18,000. Option C, 14,000. Option D, 31200. Option E, 18,600. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 18,600. Article A sells at rupees 100 plus rupees 20 profit is equal to rupees 120 per item. For 80 sold items, that is rupees 9,600. Article D sells at rupees 60 plus rupees 90 profit is equal to rupees 150 per item. For 60 sold items, that is rupees 9,000. Their combined selling price is rupees 18,600. The PDF prints difference, but the keyed option and official working use the sum. Question 9. If the total selling price of all sold items of B is rupees 15,200, find the cost price of 25% of the items manufactured by B. Option A, 4,200. Option born in 2000. Option circa 4,000. Option D, 3,200. Option E, 2,200. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 4,200. B sold 76 items for rupees 15,200, so selling price per item is rupees 200. Profit per item is rupees 25. Making cost price rupees 175. 25% of 96 manufactured items is 24. Their cost is 24 multiplied by 175 is equal to rupees 4,200. The PDF prints 10%, but the keyed answer requires 25%, so the corrected wording is used on screen. Question 10. If the item C is marked up by 20% of cost price and give a discount of 10%, find the marked price of the each item of C. Option A 1292. Option born in 1275. Option circa 1245. Option D 1235. Option E 1220. The timer starts now. The answer is option born in 1275. Let cost price of one C item be 100x. A 20% markup makes marked price 120x. After a 10% discount, selling price is 108x. Profit is 8x is equal to rupees 85, so x is equal to 10.625. Marked price is equal to 120 multiplied by 10.625 is equal to rupees 1275. Question 11. A shopkeeper marked up an article to R% above cost price and allow a discount of 25% and sold it loss of 19% at rupees 648. Find the value of R. Option A 8. Option B 6. Option C 5. Option D 4. Option E 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 4. A 19% loss means rupees 648 is 81% of cost price, so cost price is rupees 800. After 25% discount, marked price must be 648 divided by 0.75 is equal to rupees 864. The markup is 864 minus 800 is equal to 64, or 8% of cost. Since markup is to R%, to R is equal to 8 and R is equal to 4. Question 12. 8, 129, 298, 587, 950, 1477, 2318. Option A 8. Option B 129. Option circa 1477. Option D 950. Option E 2318. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 950. The intended additions are squares of consecutive primes is to 11 squared, 13 squared, 17 squared, 19 squared, 23 squared, and 29 squared. After 587, add 19 squared is equal to 361 to obtain 948, not 950. Continuing gives 1477 and 2318. Therefore 950 is wrong. Question 13. 7, 8, 16, 39, 55, 180, 216. Option A 8. Option B 216. Option C 180. Option D 55. Option E 16. The timer starts now. The answer is option E 16. The additions alternate between odd cubes and even squares is to plus 1 cubed, plus 2 squared, plus 3 cubed, plus 4 squared, plus 5 cubed, plus 6 squared. Starting at 7 gives 8, 12, 39, 55, 180, 216. Therefore 16 is the wrong term. Question 14. 110, 115, 120, 120, 100, 125, 95. Option A 110. Option B 120. Option C 1995. Option D 100. Option E 125. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 120. The pattern alternates plus 5, minus 10, plus 15, minus 20, plus 25, minus 30. The correct series is 110, 115, 105, 120, 100, 125, 95. The first printed 120 should be 105, so 120 is the wrong term. Question 15. 3, 6, 27, 100, 505, 30, 36, to 1 to 59. Option A, to 1 to 59. Option B, 505. Option C, 6. Option D, 27. Option E, 100. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, 6. The official pattern applies multiplication by consecutive integers followed by adding the same integer is to multiplied by 2 plus 2, multiplied by 3 plus 3, multiplied by 4 plus 4, and so on. That makes the second term 8, so the printed 6 is the keyed wrong term. The memory paper sequence contains further inconsistencies, but option C is the official keyed correction. Question 16. 213, 221, 331, 345, 365, 395, 431. Option A, 213. Option B, 221. Option C, 345. Option D, 395. Option E, 431. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 395. Following the intended incremental pattern in the official key, 395 breaks the progression between the surrounding terms. Replacing that term restores the designed increase pattern. Therefore, the keyed wrong term is 395. Question 17. 1620.03 divided by 44.93 plus 8836 divided by 46.98 squared is equal to option A, 50. Option B, 42. Option C, 1948. Option D, 40. Option E, 45. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 40. Approximate 1620.03 divided by 44.93 as 1620 divided by 45 is equal to 36. Also, 8836 divided by 46.98 squared is approximately 8836 divided by 47 squared is equal to 8836 divided by 2209 is equal to 4. The total is approximately 36 plus 4 equals 40. Question 18. 11.99 squared plus 28.86 squared minus 425 plus 655 divided by 6 cubed is equal to option A, 1030. Option B, 980. Option circa 1065. Option D, 1090. Option E, 1025. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 980. Use 11.99 squared 12 squared is equal to 144 and 28.86 squared 29 squared is equal to 841. The bracket becomes 425 plus 655 divided by 6 cubed is equal to 1080 divided by 216 is equal to 5. So the value is approximately 144 plus 841 minus 5 is equal to 980. Question 19. 3875 divided by 4.99 cubed is equal to minus 24 squared divided by 47.98. Option A 45. Option B 49. Option C 1941. Option D 47. Option E 43. The timer starts now. The answer is option E 43. Approximate 3875 divided by 4.99 cubed as 3875 divided by 5 cubed is equal to 31. Also, 24 squared divided by 47.98 576 divided by 48 is equal to 12. The equation is 31 is equal to minus 12, so is equal to 43. Question 20. 2511.99 minus divided by square root of 1368 is equal to 26.99 squared minus 138.99 minus 360.08 divided by 3.99 divided by 9.99. Option A 662. Option B 735. Option C 679. Option D 701. Option E 726. The timer starts now. The answer is option A 662. The right side is approximately 27 squared minus 139 minus 360 divided by 4 divided by 10 is equal to 729 minus 139 minus 90 divided by 10 is equal to 50. Also square root of 1368 is about 37. Thus, 2512 minus divided by 3750. So 2512 minus 1850 and 662. Question 21. Divided by 17.99 multiplied by 5.99 is equal to 319.87% of 60. Option A 560. Option B 568. Option C 554. Option D 576. Option E 578. The timer starts now. The answer is option D 576. Approximate the equation as divided by 18 multiplied by 6 is equal to 320% of 60. The right side is 3.2 multiplied by 60 is equal to 192. Since divided by 18 multiplied by 6 is equal to divided by 3, we get divided by 3 is equal to 192 and is equal to 576. Question 22. A spend 25% of his monthly income on rent and 20% of remaining in food, 40% remaining in traveling and rest he saved. If total monthly saving of A is rupees 10800, then find the monthly income of A in rupees. Option A 25,000. Option B 30,000. Option C 21,000. Option D 40,000. Option E 48,000. The timer starts now. The answer is option B 30,000. After rent, 75% of income remains. Food leaves 80% of that, or 60% of income. Travel uses 40% of the remainder, leaving 60% of 60% is equal to 36% as savings. If 36% equals rupees 10,800, monthly income is equal to 10,800 divided by 0.36 is equal to rupees 30,000. Question 23. Two trains A and B are moving at speeds of 60 km per hour and 80 km per hour respectively. Train A crosses a platform that is 150 meters long in 15 seconds, while train B crosses a pole in 18 seconds. What the sum of length of both trains A and B in meters? Option A 320. Option B 160. Option C 420. Option D 400. Option E 500. The timer starts now. The answer is option E 500. Train A travels at 60 km per hour is equal to 16.67 meters per second. In 15 seconds it covers 250 meters across a 150 meters platform, so its length is 100 meters. Train B travels at 80 km per hour is equal to 22.22 meters per second and crosses a pole in 18 seconds, so its length is 400 meters. Total length is equal to 500 meters. Question 24. In a mixture, the ratio of milk to water is 5:1. When 20 liters of water is added into the mixture, then the ratio of milk to water becomes equal. Find the quantity of milk in the final mixture in liter. Option A 25. Option B 24. Option C 5. Option D 20. Option E 15. The timer starts now. The answer is option A 25. Let milk and water initially be 5x and x. After adding 20 liters of water, the quantities become equal. So 5x is equal to x plus 20, giving x is equal to 5. Milk is equal to 5x is equal to 25 liters. Question 25. A completes 40% of a work in 8 days. B takes 4 more days than A to complete the whole work. Find the time taken by A and B together. Option A 7 and 10/11 days. Option B 8 and 10/11 days. Option C 9 and 10/11 days. Option D 10 days. Option E 10 and 10/11 days. The timer starts now. The answer is option E 10 and 10/11 days. A completes 40% in 8 days, so A alone needs 20 days for the whole work. B needs 4 more days, or 24 days. Together their rate is 1/20th plus 1/24th is equal to 11 by 120. Time is equal to 120 divided by 11 equals 10 10/11 days. Question 26. The length of the rectangle is 20% more than its breadth. If the side of a square is equal to the breadth of rectangle, then find the respective ratio of area of square to that of rectangle. Option A 5:6. Option B 1:6. Option C 6:5. Option D 6:7. Option E 5:1. The timer starts now. The answer is option A 5:6. Let rectangle breadth be. Its length is 20% more, or 1 dot to B. The square side equals B square area is to rectangle area is equal to B squared is to 1 dot to B squared is equal to 1 is to 1.2 is equal to 5:6. Question 27. A boat covers 120 kilometers in 6 hours in downstream. The respective ratio of speed of boat in still water and speed of stream is 3:1. If speed of stream is increased by 80%, then find in how much time the boat will cover 84 kilometers in upstream. Option A 12 hours. Option B 14 hours. Option C 10 hours. Option D 15 hours. Option E 16 hours. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 14 hours. Downstream speed is 120 divided by 6 is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. Still water speed is to stream speed is equal to 3 is to 1, so 4 parts equal 20 and stream speed is 5 kilometers per hour. After an 80% increase, stream speed is 9 kilometers per hour, upstream speed becomes 15 minus 9 is equal to 6 kilometers per hour, time for 84 kilometers equals 14 hours. Question 28. A invests rupees 5,600 on simple interest at R% for 4 years and he invested rupees 4,800 on compound interest at 10% PA for 2 years. If the simple interest is rupees 672 more than that of compound interest, then find the value of R. Option A, 7.5. Option B, 8. Option C, 1.5. Option D, 10. Option E, 12. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 7.5. Compound interest on rupees 4,800 at 10% for 2 years is 21% of 4,800 is equal to rupees 1008. Simple interest is rupees 672 more, so it is rupees 1680. 5600 multiplied by R multiplied by 4 divided by 100 is equal to 1680. Thus to 24 R is equal to 1680 and R is equal to 7.5%. Question 29. A and B started a business with an investment of rupees X and rupees X plus 800 respectively. After 8 months A left, C joined with rupees 2400. If, at the end of the year, the profit share of B is rupees 5400 out of the total profit of rupees 9300, then find X. Option A, 2500. Option born in 4000. Option circa 1600. Option D, 5000. Option E, 6500. The timer starts now. The answer is option born in 4000. Time-weighted investments are A is equal to 8x, B is equal to 12, x plus 800, and C is equal to 4 multiplied by 2400 is equal to 9600. B receives 5400930 is equal to 18/31 of total profit. So 12x plus 800 divided by 20x plus 19200 is equal to 18/31. Solving gives x is equal to rupees 4000. Question 30. The average weight of 75 students in a class is 20 kilograms. The average weight of boys and girls is 22 kilograms and x kg, respectively. If the ratio of boys and girls in the class is 2:1, respectively, then find x. Option A, 16. Option B, 24. Option C, 1948. Option D, 8. Option E, 32. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, 16. Boys and girls are in the ratio 2:1. Their weighted average is 20 kilograms, while boys average 22 kilograms. 2 multiplied by 22 plus x divided by 3 is equal to 20. Therefore 44 plus x is equal to 60 and girls average x is equal to 16 kilograms. Question 31. The percentage ratio of A to B is 3:2. 5 years ago, A was twice B's age. 5 years hence, the sum of A's and B's ages equals C's age at that time. Find C's present age. Option A, 35. Option B, 40. Option C, 20. Option D, 25. Option E, 30. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 30. Let present ages be A is equal to 3x and B is equal to 2x. 5 years ago, 3x minus 5 is equal to 2, 2x minus 5, giving x is equal to 5. Thus A is equal to 15 and B is equal to 10. 5 years hence their ages sum to 20 plus 15 equals 35, which is CS age then. Therefore CS present age is 35 minus 5 is equal to 30. Question 32. Set X contains 7 consecutive, even numbers with sum 630. Set Y contains 5 consecutive odd numbers with sum 295. Quantity 1 is to average of the first 4 numbers in set X, quantity 2 is to 27 more than the average of the first 2 numbers in set Y. Option A quantity 1 quantity 2. Option B quantity 1 quantity 2. Option C quantity 1 greater than or equal to quantity 2. Option D quantity 1 less than or equal to quantity 2. Option E quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2 or no relation. The timer starts now. The answer is option A quantity 1 quantity 2. Set X has average 630 divided by 7 is equal to 90, the middle of 7 even numbers. The first 4 are 84, 86, 88, 90, whose average is 87. Set Y has average 295 divided by 5 is equal to 59. Its first 2 numbers are 55 and 57, average 56. Quantity 2 is 56 plus 27 equals 83. Hence quantity 1 quantity 2. Question 33. Find the simple interest on rupees 6,000 over 5 years. Quantity 1 is to interest at 10% for the first 2 years and 15% for the last 3 years. Quantity 2 is to rupees 3,900. Option A quantity 1 quantity 2. Option B quantity 1 quantity 2. Option C quantity 1 greater than or equal to quantity 2. Option D quantity 1 less than or equal to quantity 2. Option E quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2 or no relation. The timer starts now. The answer is option E. Quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2 or no relation. Quantity 1 is simple interest on rupees 6,000 is to 10% for 2 years gives rupees 1,200 and 15% for 3 years gives rupees 2,700. Total interest is rupees 3,900. Quantity 2 is also rupees 3,900. Therefore both quantities are equal. Question 34. Quantity 1 is to a 120 liter milk water mixture is in the ratio 3:5. After removing Y liters proportionately and adding 10 liters of milk and 15 liters of water, the ratio becomes 8:13. Find Y quantity 2 is to 60. Option A quantity 1 quantity 2. Option B quantity 1 quantity 2. Option C quantity 1 greater than or equal to quantity 2. Option D quantity 1 less than or equal to quantity 2. Option E quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2 or no relation. The timer starts now. The answer is option B quantity 1 quantity 2. Initially milk is equal to 45 liters and water is equal to 75 liters. Removing Y liters proportionately leaves milk 45 minus 3Y8 and water 75 minus 5Y8. After additions, they become 55 minus 3Y8 and 90 minus 5Y8. Setting their ratio to 8:13 gives Y is equal to 40. Quantity 2 is 60, so quantity 1 quantity 2. Question 35. Quantity 1 is to the average age of 21 people is 64. After adding 1 person, the average becomes 64.5. Find the new person's age. Quantity 2 is to a family of 14 has average age 30. A baby is born. Find the family's average age 4 years later. Option A, quantity 1, quantity 2. Option B, quantity 1, quantity 2. Option C, quantity 1 greater than or equal to quantity 2. Option D, quantity 1 less than or equal to quantity 2. Option E, quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2 or no relation. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, quantity 1, quantity 2. For quantity 1, the new person's age is 22 multiplied by 64.5 minus 21 multiplied by 64 is equal to 75 years. For quantity 2, after 4 years the original family totals 14 multiplied by 34 is equal to 476 years, and the baby is 4, giving 480 across 15 people. The average is 32. Therefore quantity 1, quantity 2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Daily Learning Capsule for more bank exam practice.